Okay, so today's paper is short and sweet. You are using the information given to solve for something you don't know. So, in this example here, we know that Jane drove 40 miles more than her husband Jim. The total distance both drove was 180 miles. Find the number of miles each drove. So our example problem here, they made Jim's miles equal A and Jane's equals A plus 40 because we know that she drove 40 miles more than he drove. So if Jim plus Jane's miles equal a total of 180, if we set our equations, then we know what to substitute in. So in place of Jim, we would put the A, which is where this A came from. And in place of Jane, we would put the A plus 40. So that's where that came from. And then combine like terms, so it gets simplified to 2A plus 40. Finish solving. Okay, divide by 2. So Jim drove 70 miles. So that's what A is. Then Jane drove 70 plus 40, which is 110. So in this first equation here, or the first problem here, they give you the equations to use, or they give you how to set up the problem, and it's very similar to that example problem to work out. The same thing with the number 2. They give you the information to help you set it up, and you just have to work on solving it. The back side is the same way. Number 4, you're using problem number 3 to help you. Okay. And there's only, 10 problems? 11 problems? Okay. And they're all the same way. Some of them just don't have it set up for you. Okay. So 5 through 9 doesn't give you any of the equations. You have to try to set up the equations on your own. We're almost done with this unit. There's only one more. There's a paper tomorrow that we're doing that's different from the part 7, and then part 7, then we'll just be reviewing, and we'll take a test over them next week.